Hi, okay, so in this video I'm going to go over the sketch that I've pre-made and do some lines. The sketch is a bit messy, and so I think it's great to go over it with lines. So what I tend to do is I like to do things all in one stroke. You can see I'm doing Control Z quite a bit of times, just so I make sure I get one confident line that is not like too sketchy and is just exactly the way I want it, even if it doesn't necessarily follow the sketch. And you see I do that quite a few times. It's okay to do it like 20 times as long as you get what you want in the end. So you can see that I'm going over and I'm not exactly staying true to the sketch, which is fine. You don't have to. A lot of times my sketches are a lot more busy, which is fine, but it's harder to work with. So yeah, I'm just going over it, and there are a few things that I guess I should mention. When there's little things like details that are on the inside of the outline, such as that pocket or the zigzaggy lines, what I tend to do is have them be at a smaller brush thickness, just so it will not take up too much, not fight for too much space. So yeah, you can see I'm just going through. You don't want to have tangents, and you want to just be confident with your lines. You don't want to have them too sketchy, or else it looks a little meh. Yeah, so then once you have all of your lines, I usually start with the base lines. Then I go to doing the line weight, which is typically how I do it. Is I have a very big, thick line around the outline of the character, and then I go on the inside of the lines and do a little arc, just to make it a little more lead in. So yeah, and when there's more things in the foreground, you want to have them have a thicker outline, like that arm right there, just because you want it, especially if it's fighting for space, you want it to be able to stand out against everything it's fighting for, just so it has a good, you know where it is, you know what it is. I could have done better on the fingers, because the fur and the fingers kind of are getting confused, but I guess it kind of can be fixed during color. But yeah, that is my little lines tutorial. Quick things to note, I guess. Yeah. See ya.